Hey everybody, welcome to the SMA Journey 51 vlog. Alright guys, in this week's video, I've got some exciting news that I want to share with you regarding Scholar Rock's potential treatment known as Apitegromab that they're testing in the TOPAZ trial. You know, whenever a pharmaceutical company develops a treatment that they want to bring to the public, they have to go through these different stages of clinical trials. The company that I work for, BioNews, is the parent company for SMA News Today. And SMA News Today did a great article regarding some new information that we just found out regarding the TOPAZ trial. Apparently, Scholar Rock is going to be moving to a Phase 3 pivotal trial. Last year, they released some 6-month interim data regarding the TOPAZ trial, and they're scheduled to release more information regarding this trial in June of this year. So, after they release this data in June, and after they've had maybe a couple of months to review the data, they are planning on going to a Phase 3 pivotal trial, which tells me, and it should tell you, that they're getting some fantastic results from this clinical trial itself. So what I did was I linked the article down in the description of my video, but in the video that I produced for you, which is about 3 to 5 minutes long, I go over the key points in this article. So after you watch what I have to say, make sure that you go down and click on the link and read the entire article for yourself, and also either show this article to your doctor or email them the link to the article so that they can read it, because let's face it, the more information that your doctors know, the better off it's going to be for you. So take a look at the video that I did, and afterwards I'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. Thank you. Apitegromab, Scholar Rock's muscle-directed therapy for spinal muscular atrophy, safely and effectively improved or stabilized motor function in children and young adults with types 2 and 3 disease over 1 year. Top-line data from the Phase 2 TOPAZ trial show. Notably, patients' motor gains were either maintained or increased at 1 year relative to what was observed at 6 months, highlighting the durability and continuous therapeutic potential of Apitegromab. There looks to be promising potential for a muscle-directed therapy that will complement the unmet needs still evident and likely emerging in many individuals with SMA who receive SMN-enhancing therapies, said Thomas Crawford, MD, TOPAZ's principal investigator. What I want you to pay attention to is the comment that Dr. Crawford said, quote, likely emerging in many individuals with SMA who receive SMN-enhancing therapies, end quote. What he's telling us here is that researchers are now understanding that treatments similar to Spinraza are only modifying the SMN levels of the SMN2 gene, so muscle-targeted therapies similar to Apitegromab are going to be at the forefront of future research. Spinraza does not target the ability to build muscle strength and muscle mass, so that's the main reason why Apitegromab is capturing the attention of not only researchers and scientists, but also those of us with SMA, because if Apitegromab gets approved by the FDA, which we think it will, we may finally have something that is specifically targeting our ability to start building muscle strength and, more importantly, muscle mass. Based on these findings and pending discussions with regulatory authorities, Scholar Rock plans to initiate a pivotal Phase 3 trial by year's end to confirm Apitegromab's safety and effectiveness in a larger patient population. While there have been important advancements in recent years, individuals with types 2 and 3 SMA continue to experience significant functional impairments, even after treatment with SMN-boosting therapies, Scholar Rock wrote in an accompanying statement for Cure SMA. Researchers understand that treatments like Spinraza may slow or even stop the progression of our disease, but for many SMA patients, they may still experience a decline in their overall strength due to the natural history of the disease. The International Proof of Concept Phase 2 TOPAZ trial evaluated Apitegromab's safety and effectiveness in 58 patients, ages 2 to 21, with SMA types 2 and 3, latter onset disease. Participants were divided into 3 groups, in which all were given intravenous, into-the-vein infusions of Apitegromab, either a low 2 mg per kilogram or a high 20 mg per kilogram dose, once every 4 weeks for up to 1 year. Most received the therapy's high dose and were also being treated with Spinraza, the first approved SMA disease-modifying therapy. Changes in motor function with treatment were assessed using the revised Hammersmith scale in ambulatory patients, those able to walk independently, and with the Hammersmith Functional Motor Scale extended in non-ambulatory patients. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got some information out of it that you can use as well. I work really hard to bring you guys the information that I think you'll need to make your life better, and I hope that you're enjoying the videos that I produce as much as I enjoy making them. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I would greatly appreciate it. Remember, when you do subscribe to the channel, be sure to click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified of any new videos that I produce. I hope all of you have had a fantastic week. Do me a favor, this upcoming week, do something for yourself that's going to make you a better person. God bless you, and I'll talk to you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.